We got some chores to take care of here. Mainly, I'll turn the camera around and show you. The okra field, the okra row here needs a little work. As do the other, let's see, other 1, 2, 3, 4 okra rows. The heat certainly is not doing them any harm. They seem to be flourishing in the hot weather. So far this planting season, we've had success with a few beans, certainly the okra, a few eggplant, great success on watermelons for some reason, mostly the ones that just were volunteer watermelons. But as far as tomatoes, I don't know what the deal is. We've gotten a handful of tomatoes and they've been small, and they're not very good. They just kind of suck. I mean, I don't know what it is. I don't know exactly why the problem is that this year, but we'll get through that and we'll just soldier on and do the best gardening and best farming we can do here at Sid's Blue Sky Farm. So I'm not going to bore you with the trimming here and show you just snippets of cutting the okra in the other locations, and then we'll take a quick ride around and look at a few things that are going on. So we'll catch up with you in a little while. And now we're up to the very last okra patch. Shouldn't be too terrible. And let some of this get a little big. We'll cut that in a few minutes. Take a quick look at the field corn. See those tassels doing their work as the ears of corn start to develop. Looks like we've got a really good crop going on here. It's just very dry. See an awful lot of ears on this corn. And I do remember this is 5 times planted to get this stand of corn. I guess maybe it'll be worth it in the end. Let's take a quick look at the really puny tomato patch. Tomatoes have always just really flourished down here in this area. Not so much this year. It's just too hot, I guess. It's too dry. We've had a handful of tomatoes. Most of them get really hard, get that hard skin, either bottom rot or they crack open and rot. Well, there's a little bonus this morning. And you notice that cantaloupe here. So I guess the lower field has produced something this year. Let's go get that okra cut and move on to the lawn mowing. All right, here, let's take a little look at the new pecan trees. The second one there looks a little puny, but the last one's growing awfully well. And the first one's hanging in there in this very hot and very dry weather. Now that we've got the mower fueled up, got our cold water bottle sitting there, let's go knock out about an hour's worth of mowing. But before we go, take a look at these really nice zinnias. It was just a couple of bags I indiscriminately threw down on the ground. They've turned out great. Something not so great. Looks like my pumpkin vine didn't fare so well. Maybe it was the heat. Roses look a little puny, but they're hanging in there. Crepe myrtles are always loving the heat. Kind of like the okra. Okay, I'm putting it off long enough. Let's go mow. Well, it's a couple hours later, and the mowing has been completed. Blown all the debris off the driveway, off the porch. Few flowers really fighting hard to survive this crazy heat. My favorite hydrangea, hanging on. There's just a little cutting I stuck in the ground a year ago and it came back. So, these clouds that are over us right now are very welcome. It's a little bit of a normal July in Alabama. Even the breeze has some heat to it. So now we have a well-deserved time to cool down. We're going to call it quits for today. Go get a quick shower and just enjoy the air conditioning for a little while. Hope everybody has a good remainder of the day and a great rest of the week. We'll talk to you a little bit later on. Everybody take care.